So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Seedance 2, the most powerful AI generator, and how you can monetize these AI videos on TikTok Shop and Instagram Shop, which is a new feature that Instagram just released. I'm also going to give you my personal opinion about Seedance 2 because I've been using it for the last couple of days and I have questions. I just say that, okay? I'm just not sure if the title of the most powerful AI model is really there, but it's for sure cheaper than some other models. If we get 100 likes on this video, I'm going to share link to Claude that's going to give you a prompt generator that you can generate very detailed prompts that can plug it into Seedance. So let me show you how much money you can earn by using AI videos. So I'm logged into the TikTok Shop affiliate dashboard. So this is an official platform from TikTok. So the data is coming directly from them. Okay, this is not a third-party source. We see exactly what these people are making. And this creator right here, Lucky Finds For You, made $277,000 in sales in the last month. And I'm not gonna lie, his content is a little bit trashy and sucky, but who cares as long as it makes money. I'm gonna show you one of the videos. So the video is 8 seconds long. He made this in Link 3, most likely. And he's promoting this belt sander for, I guess, someone who's interested in that. And then there's just a caption that says it's on a discount, blah, blah, blah. That's pretty much it. It's the bottom of the final video. Guys, if you want to learn more about what he's doing, I have a free course on TikTok Shop affiliate, how to become one. You can watch it right here. It's going to teach you everything from A to Z. In this video, we're not going to do it. We're going to continue because I want to get to the good part. In my opinion, better approach to AI videos is this one. So this is another TikTok account. It's called Big Coco 9. And this fella made almost $70,000 in sales. And they do a little bit more high quality videos, in my opinion. I mean, high quality. Okay? The thing with these AI videos is like a lot of times they're not high quality at all. But in my opinion, those are better, safer, and they actually have some sort of, let's say, value, okay? This is less sloppy and more like, oh, this could actually pass kind of as a real content. So what this guy is doing, he's promoting clothes, and you can see there's a bunch of videos and they actually get better views than the other guy. And here's an example of a video that got 135,000 views, so let's watch it.
Oh my gosh, you guys, stop everything. Seriously, stop everything you are doing right now. You have to see this. I am literally buzzing.
8 second long video. All these videos are very short and there's a little caption. It's on a massive discount. Just get it right now. There's the pattern. And the pattern is like, there is a massive discount, okay? By the way, be careful with those because apparently TikTok is not liking when you say massive discount or triple discount or things like that. So I would not use these captions anymore. I would say maybe something very simple, just like, oh my God, I can't believe this is on TikTok Shop. That's it, silly, just say that. Just say that, don't risk your account, okay? But that's pretty much it. There's a couple more accounts that do AI video. Here's another one, $20,000 in the last month. Here's another one, $49,000 in the last month. My point is that there are people that are doing it successfully and they are not even that good. They're using older video generators. And as I said, now we have a Seedance 2, which is supposed to be the most powerful AI video generator. I don't know if you've seen these videos of like Kanye West dancing and doing crazy stuff, or like these cats talking to this girl. They look super cool. But here's the thing, you won't be able to generate these videos. I'm gonna be honest with you. Not with Seedance version that we got released to the public. And that's because Seedance is very, very strict when it comes to using human faces. So if it's a celebrity, you're not gonna be able to use it. Even if it's your face, you might have problems generating videos. However, don't lose hope because I'm gonna give you a solution to this problem. And I also wanna talk about benefits of Seedance. So in my opinion, where Seedance really shine is the interconnectivity of the images and videos and all the assets you can connect together. And here's what I mean. You can upload up to 9 reference images, 3 reference videos, and 3 reference audios into Seedance. And somehow all these files can connect and the AI will figure out what you want it to do to generate the best results. And as I said earlier, the problem is using human faces. So a lot of times if you upload a human face as a reference photo, it will not be used or you will get flagged or your video generation will get stopped. And as some of you guys know, I created my own software called Crafty. And over the weekend, I was spending a lot of time working on Seedance. I was trying to add it to a Crafty and I did, but I noticed the problem with uploading humans. But I found a way that you can upload human faces and the video will generate. And I'm not sure if there's a lot of video generators out there that can do it, but mine can, okay? Because I'm that guy. So I'm gonna show you how to generate generate Seedance video that's gonna work. And by the way, we have the lowest prices on Seedance 2 videos. And if you decide to subscribe to Crafty, I'm gonna give you 50% off on the first month. Just use this coupon. To get started, we need to get the prompt, and we're gonna use Claude's skill to have the prompt generated for us. So we're just gonna give it basic instructions, and then we're gonna get like a long, detailed instruction set that we can just plug it into Seedance to get the best results. And by the way, this Claude skill, I got it from Hicksfield YouTube video, and I modify it. So shout out to them. But as I said, I tweak it a little bit to fit better for my style. And I said we need 100 likes to get this Claude skill, but I lied, okay? It's already there. It's in the description. You can just download it. If you don't know what Claude skills are, it's basically a sheet with instructions that you give to AI. Okay, so you need to open the folder that I have in the description of this video and download this thing right here. Just gonna click and download. And in Claude, you wanna extend this bar and then go right here where it says customize. And you're gonna click on skills and you're gonna click on add. You're gonna click on create skill, upload skill. And you're just gonna drag and drop it that folder. And I already have it uploaded, so it's asking me if I wanna replace it. So I'm just gonna cancel it. And then we're gonna go to chat. I'm gonna use Opus 4.7 because I have access to it. I'm just that guy, okay? It's the newest and the most powerful model. And then you're gonna click right here on the plus icon. You're gonna select skills and you're gonna click Seedance director. Okay, so let's say I wanna use this model to promote this dress. So here's my prompt that I'm gonna give to Claude. An 8-second video of this model promoting this red dress. She's wearing it, describing all the benefits. It's a UGC style video for TikTok audience. And now I'm gonna click send, and Claude is gonna give me a very detailed prompt that I'm gonna plug in into Crafty. Okay, here's the prompt. So we're gonna copy it and now go back to Crafty. I'm gonna paste the prompt. I'm gonna select 8 seconds, 720p, portrait, and Seedance 2 as a model. I also want the audio. And I'm gonna scroll down right here where it says reference photos. And I pasted the picture of the dress and my model. And now I'm just gonna click on generate. All right, so the video is ready. Let's watch it.
Okay, I am obsessed with this red dress. The corset bodice is so flattering. And look at this skirt. It twirls perfectly. Run, don't walk.
It's a pretty good video, I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty good. Now I have to be honest with you about Seedance. More than often you're gonna see a message like this. Your generation has been blocked for safety reasons. And remember I said earlier I cracked the code how to use humans and reference images? Because I did, trust me. I tried other websites that offer Seedance 2 and their filters are even worse than mine. And not just because of the Seedance programming itself. A lot of times when you're gonna use a human in your image reference photo or video, your video request is gonna get stopped, which is super annoying. I think this is temporary because of the fact that Seedance has a lot of legal problems right now, so they're trying to figure out what they allow on the platform or not. But I think I have a solution to this problem, and that's simply stop using Seedance for now and use Kling. Seriously, Kling has a way higher quality and has no problems with using humans or any reference videos, photos you wanted. So in Crafty, you can just switch to Kling 3. I'm gonna use the same reference pictures we did earlier. Same girl, same dress. And I'm gonna use the same prompt again. It's in my history, so let's just open it up. Okay, and it's gonna be 8 seconds. And check this out, I can do 1080 resolution, which is gonna be way higher quality video. And my request has not been stopped, has not been blocked, because Kling, in my opinion, is the best video image generator. And I'm sorry to burst your bubble because I got tricked too. I thought Seedance 2 is the best model, and in a way it can be, but right now has a lot of issues and it will not generate the high quality videos as we saw during their marketing phase. And here's the video from Kling.
Okay, I am obsessed with this red dress. The corset bodice is so flattering, and look at this skirt. It twirls perfectly. Run, don't walk.
So Seedance 2 looks more realistic. I would say her face is less glossy. Kling has a little bit of that glare, but the quality is higher. When it comes to text, they both say the same thing. Also, Seedance 2 girl sounds better in my opinion. Her voice is better. But the amount of problems that Seedance 2 has right now, it just doesn't make sense to struggle so much. If you just want to make short clips, like an 8-second video like this, go with Seedance 2, okay? Simple stuff, yeah, go for it. If you want to do more complicated videos, go with Clink 3. I also mentioned that Instagram just launched their own version of TikTok Shop, which allows you to tag products in Reels. It works a little bit differently than TikTok Shop. So TikTok Shop has the whole infrastructure built in where buyer never leaves an app and buys the product directly from TikTok. On Instagram, when you tag a product, the user is being directed to the external website, let's say of Walmart or Amazon, and that's where the final purchase is happening, but you can still get a commission. So it works a little bit differently, but the cool thing is that the barrier of entry is very low. All you need to do is have 1,000 followers and anyone can tag products on Reels. I tested on my Instagram account, which I have 2,000 followers and don't really use it that much. And I was able to create and tag products on my Reels. So if you create content for TikTok Shop, you might as well transfer to Instagram. And if TikTok Shop is not available in your country, Instagram Shop is apparently allowed globally, almost everywhere. So that's my couple cents on the newest Seedance 2 model. I know a lot of people are gonna overhype it right now and tell you that you can do crazy stuff with it, but trust me, there's a lot of limitations on it, at least for the time being. But if you still want to try it, it's available on Crafty, and I have the least restricted version because I modify a little bit, so it allows you to create videos with humans. But even my version has restrictions too. But if you want to try it, here's the discount code. It's going to give you 50% on your first month. But that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you next time. Bye.